Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Katie here, and we have a very special guest on my channel today.
Hi guys!
I wanted to bring Ella on my channel. We actually just did snacks for your channel.
Okay. So we made 4 healthy snacks for like teenagers, people in college, high school. Super easy to make, healthy.
And so we kind of wanted to go a little bit off that video and show you one more snack that you guys can take to school to get a little bit of energy midday, you're kind of low on energy, or you have a test coming up. This is an amazing energy ball bite. There's a lot of ingredients, but they're all really good for you, and it's going to be an amazing snack.
I talk about how you bounce everything while making food, which is the best way to do everything.
Here we go. Let's get right into it.
What's first?
Kind of dumping everything into this bowl that we got.
1.5 cups of oats, 1/4 cup of chocolate chunks, that's good, a handful of crushed walnuts, a handful of pumpkin seeds, so good for you, a handful of raisins, chia seeds, amazing for energy, they're so good for you.
I've made French toast with them before,
so
vegan
good.
French toast is so good.
And then we got some cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of some vanilla extract. Plus we got our honey over here and almond butter.
I just kind of wanted to combine one nut and one seed because those are our main sources of energy right here.
It'll fill you up pretty fast too.
It will, for sure. I want to know, you are 17 and you're managing school, YouTube, social media, and she has her life together more than I do. Yes. We are going to get down to the bottom of how you do it all.
Lots of scheduling. So I go to school on the weekdays, obviously, and then I'll film on the weekends, and then I try to work out after school a couple of days a week.
How many days a week do you work out, for how long?
Ideally 3 to 4 days for half an hour, so then I have time to still do homework, study, edit. So yeah, it's kind of little spurts throughout the week, and then I'm still making sure that I'm staying healthy and all that and eating right.
What are your favorite go-to quick meals?
I love to make smoothie bowls. I like putting pineapple in everything, berries, and then I'll decorate it and make it look all pretty for Instagram.
All right, so we got all those main ingredients in there, and now we are going to take our honey and our almond butter, and this is kind of what ties it all together to make it into those nice little balls. So we're gonna put in the honey.
Give it great flavor, make it sweet and natural sweetness.
Got the almond butter. Ooh, you like the natural kind.
All right, you got this. Mix it on up. What's a fun fact about you that your followers might not know?
I'm not really that fun.
You're not really that what?
I'm not really that fun.
Oh my god.
Yes,
you are. You have
school and YouTube.
Trust me, for a 17-year-old, you probably have the most entertaining life though.
I like watching superhero TV shows.
Followers probably want to know, how do you come up with your YouTube ideas? Do your followers help you with it?
Okay, so I used to have so many ideas, and lately I've been getting filmers block or something. Lately I've just been going through the YouTube trending page. Pinterest is really great. I get super random ideas though from looking at really weird things, something on the Instagram Explore page or something.
Yeah.
It smells so good.
These are great to make, to save for the whole entire week too, so you can meal prep these. Take a little bit with our hands, make sure you wash your hands. Place them onto the cookie sheet. How do you do it so well, dude? Yours turned out so much better than mine. I've been eating it as she's just rolling them up.
Kind of like oatmeal raisin cookies.
Yes.
But healthier. Bring it to school with you, super easy to pack, and it'll just make you feel better, because school's kind of sad. But
all right, you guys, so we're gonna put these in the refrigerator for at least 30 to 45 minutes. Thank you so much to Ella for joining me.
That was super fun.
Yeah, so we hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and make sure to check out Ella's channel for more healthy snacks that we did before this, and so I think you guys will really enjoy those too.
Yeah, we're gonna eat these later. Hope you guys make them too.
Tag us if you try it, and let us know what you think. If you like it, if you hate it, that's cool. We like it, so whatever. I will see you guys later.
Bye.